The question is arrange the compounds of each in order of reactivity towards SN2 displacement. The first is 2-bromo-2-methylbutane, 1-bromopentane and 2-bromopentane. Here the deciding factor will be steric hindrance. So whenever there is a question about arranging in order of reactivity towards SN2 displacement, the first approach to should be always seeing the steric hindrance. Okay. So as you can see, first of all, just write what are the uh, degree of carbon attached to the um, halide group. Okay, so here you can see 1 degree, this is 2 degree, and this is 3 degree. Why I'm saying that, see the degree of carbon, because Br will get substituted. Okay, so we need to know how much steric hindrance, and we can easily know that uh, the steric hindrance for 1 degree carbon is much less than the 2 degree and the 3rd degree hindrance. Okay, so as you can see, this will have, this has 1 degree carbon, this is 2 degree carbon, this is 3 degree carbon. So that now the hindrance is maximum in this case, and as you can see that the reactivity will be 1 bromopentane highest, then 2 bromopentane, then 2 bromo 2 methyl pentane, because it is 3 degree, this is 2 degree, and this is 1 degree. Now again, the second part is 1 bromo 3 methyl butane, 2 bromo 2 methyl butane, and 2 bromo 3 methyl butane. Again, you can see that this is 2 degree, this is 3 degree, and again this is 2 degree. Okay, so it is easy to spot that this will be will have the least reactivity. Okay, so now we have to compare between these two. As you can see, the reactive. Okay, sorry, this has 1 degree carbon. Okay, as Br is attached to 1 degree carbon, so it will have least it will have the most reactivity. Okay, this will have the least reactivity, this will have the middlemost reactivity, as it is 2 degree carbon. So as you can see in this order. And the third part is 1 bromobutane, 1 bromo 2 dimethylpropane, 1 bromo 2 methylbutane, and 1 bromo 3 methylbutane. So again, the steric hindrance, just draw the figure, and it will be very easy for you to compare all of this and just see what are the degree of carbon attached to the halide group.